Hi everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to easily read PDF files on your Windows PC or laptop using Tenorshare PDNob. Whether it's an ebook, research paper, or scanned document, PDNob gives you a smooth reading experience with flexible viewing options. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open, navigate, and annotate your PDFs like a pro. First, launch Tenorshare PDNob on your computer Windows or Mac. Click Open PDF, then choose the document you want to read. PDNob supports all standard PDF files, and even large documents load quickly without lag and support OCR, so make your scanned PDF editable. Perfect for students, professionals, or researchers who work with lengthy files. Once your PDF opens, let's make it more comfortable to read. Tenorshare PDNob offers several quick adjustments to read or view your document. Click the View Mode button on the top toolbar and choose from the following option. You can fit height, fit width, actual size, or full screen your PDF. For long reading sessions, switch to full screen mode. It's clean, distraction-free, and easy on the eyes. If you want to rotate pages, go to the Page menu and select the page you want to rotate, then rotate left or rotate right to adjust your page orientation easily. Navigating through long PDF documents can be time-consuming, but with Tenorshare PDNob, it's super simple. If you want to search and find any word or phrase inside your document, you can use the search bar to quickly locate it. You can find the search icon on the side panel. Type in the keyword or sentence you're looking for, and PDNob will instantly highlight all the matching results across the entire file. You can click through each result to jump directly to that page. No need to scroll manually page by page. This is especially helpful if you're a student reviewing class materials, a researcher scanning journal articles, or a professional checking reports or legal documents. You can easily locate important terms, references, or data points in seconds. Plus, PDNob's smooth scrolling and page preview make it easy to see exactly where you are in the document, so you never lose track while studying or working. If you want to mark important text or add notes, you can easily do that right inside the app. First, go to the comment menu at the top. From here, you can choose to highlight text, underline key sentences, or even strike through parts you want to review later. It's perfect for students who need to summarize lessons, or for professionals reviewing contracts and reports. You can also add sticky notes or text comments anywhere on the page. Simply click where you want to leave your note, type your thoughts or reminders, and it stays attached to that exact spot, super handy for quick references or study points. What's great is that all your highlights and comments are saved automatically, so when you reopen your PDF later, every note and color highlight stays in place. This makes PDNob a great tool not just for reading, but also for research, collaboration, and study preparation. One of the best features is that PDNob automatically saves your progress, including bookmarks, highlights, and comments. You can simply reopen PDNob later, load the same file, and continue right where you stopped reading. No manual saving, no scrolling back through pages. This feature is super helpful for students reading long textbooks, professionals reviewing multi-page reports, or anyone handling detailed PDFs that take more than one session to finish. And that's how you can read, navigate, and annotate PDF files easily using Tenorshare PDNob. With features like quick search, highlight tools, comment menus, and auto-save progress, PDNob isn't just a PDF reader, it's your all-in-one study and productivity companion. If you'd like to try it out, check the link in the description below for a free trial. Try Tenorshare PDNob now.